morning. It's a beautiful November day together with Wild Mattiello, and today's goal is a wild peak here in Dolomiti Friulane, Cima Laste, 1,700 meters up. We're gonna spend the night in a beef bag. It'll be cold, it'll be great. Let's go. Very basic shelter for shepherds. Allora, raccontami la via, dove andiamo?
Da qua non si vede.
Ah, ottimo. What a demanding hike. Second tiny hut of the day. Lunchtime.
Borlotti for fighting hard. We are going up there.
Up we go. This is when things start to get serious. We're going up this saddle, and then, I don't know, this is the top, so we're pretty much on the right way. Wow! Haha! Things are getting spicy. Bomba!
Yeah!
Whew.
Little bit.
What a drop. The rocky part begins. This way. First overlook of Dolomites. Amazing. And on the final reach to the top. Cima Laste.
Cima Laste.
2, 5. 2,500 and something. Amazing. Look at the view over the entire Dolomite on the west. Cima Preti and Duranno on the south. Dolomiti Friulane up north. And Julian Alps in the background, very far. And Grossglockner, Austrian Alps, highest mountain in Austria. Now the mission is to look for a spot to spend the night. According to the only reports we read about this peak, there should have been some kind of flat spot, but it doesn't seem so. So we're actually not sure about where to set our camp, because there's literally no flat parts. So we need to get creative. And in the meantime, look at the colors behind me. Time to get creative. All right, I'm gonna sleep here. Perfect. Second floor is done. And the camp is ready.
Buonanotte.
Buonanotte Fiorellino. Perché ero...
Gray sunrise today. There are lots of high clouds. The sun didn't make it to come through, so we had no light, no colors. But we had a great warm night, so all good. At one point, especially in the beginning of the night, I was afraid of falling down because this is quite a tight spot, but it all worked out. So time for breakfast.
Muesli with Dolomites. Time to go down. Oh, la questa. Vale. Way down was faster. these fallen trees are a result of a huge storm happened, I believe 4 or 5 years ago, called Vaia, which destroyed lots of forests around the Dolomites. Back at the vans.
Yumma.
Much better. Ancora? Ale? We were up there. Hello, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was a little less cinematic edit, but more of an adventure with a friend. So I really hope you enjoy this kind of format, and more will come in the future for sure. Right now it's December, it's very cold outside. Right now it's -7, but in the last days I woke up with -16 outside. So quite freezing, but here in the van I'm super cozy and it's just amazing. I also skied the first lines of this winter. So ski touring videos are coming too, lots of adventures, lots of videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next adventure.